Hello and welcome to Times XP. My name is Dhriti Atri and here are the biggest stories that are making headlines across the globe today. So let's start with it. Russia issues blunt nuclear warning to the United States. Sergei Lavrov, he warns Washington that Iran is not a bargaining chip. Russia will not abandon its allies despite the US pressure. In fact, tensions over Iran's nuclear program is escalating. Iran's nuclear deal under scrutiny. Lavrov criticizes the 2015 deal, highlighting flawed clauses allowing Europe to snap back sanctions. Moscow's trust in Iran is tested amid the new threat. Russia leaves Iran free to decide talks. Russia stresses that it won't force Iran to restart negotiations. Tehran alone will determine its engagement with the West right now. In fact, Moscow signals pressure tactics won't work. Allies are not disposable. That's Russia's message to Washington. Loyalty to allies is non-negotiable here. Iran stands firm, reinforcing Moscow's strategic stance here. Here, nuclear diplomacy, it faces a new hard edge. United Kingdom military issues public warning. Britain alerts citizens to potential threats from Russia. Well, the emphasis is on preparation and not panic, as military readiness becomes a national priority. Civilian preparedness in Britain. The UK warns future conflicts may target the daily lives, infrastructure, and possible supply chain. Whole of society response becomes the new mantra for the citizens. NATO alarms over Russia. European allies urge to rebuild armies and invest in defense. Russia's long-term strategy against the West, it triggers continental vigilance. Britain signals early deterrence. Here, London stresses that don't wait for first strike or confirmation. Civilian readiness and prevention are the key to avoid the strategic surprise. Venezuela oil conflict escalates. US seizes a Venezuelan tanker and that too near Caribbean. Maduro accuses Washington of piracy. Here, oil becomes a geopolitical flashpoint. Iran condemns the United States' actions at the sea. Tehran calls the tanker seizure state-sponsored piracy and illegal under international law. Well, tensions ripple across Tehran and America. China criticizes unilateral sanctions. Beijing warns of dangerous precedents from the US economic pressure. Global maritime rules under scrutiny and alliances are forming around Venezuela. Russia expands ties with Caracas. Moscow deepens cooperation with Venezuelan and that too via diplomacy and energy deals. Strategic positioning against the US influence intensifies. Venezuela no longer isolated. Venezuelan oil transforms from community to signal of resistance. Iran, Russia, and China are the close ranks against unilateral US control. Maritime tensions signal global risk here. Tehran hints that interference in oil routes has broader consequences here. Global trade stability is at high stake amid the rising confrontation. China tests underwater mega drone. XXL UUVs. Massive autonomous submarines may lay mines and fire torpedoes. These operations could actually disrupt ports and trade safety. United States West Coast under threat. Autonomous drone could paralyze Los Angeles, Long Beach, and Seattle. In fact, supply chain and oil transport can face unprecedented threat. Panama Canal vulnerable to disruption here. Even brief blockage of this choke point, it can cripple the global trade. Strategic underwater tech, it raises alarm bells in Washington. Modern warfare goes silent. China's drones operate without human crew or even detection. Global supply is now hinges on unseen technology and not any conventional ship. Bondi Beach attack shocks Australia. In fact, 15 were killed at Hanukkah celebration in Sydney. Violence turned a peaceful festival into horror, sparking the global attention. Israel blames Iran, but Iran, they deny it. Israel blames the attack a targeted message. Iran condemns the anti-Semitism here. Trust erodes further between the two nations. International probe launched. Australia, Israel, and the US investigate the possible state involvement. Shadow networks and influence are under heavy scrutiny. New Year's Eve terror plot foiled in LA. FBI arrests multiple suspects targeting celebrations. Immediate action prevents the mass casualty. Plot targeted public celebrations here. In fact, the evidence showed deliberate timing for maximum impact. Ideology and intent confirmed through the recovered material. Security heightened across California. Federal and local authorities implement patrol, surveillance, and rapid response team. Citizens are urged to remain vigilant. Silicon Valley racism scandal here. Client AI executive Nick Pash sparks outrage with "Imagine the Smell" comment. Indian tech community offended, but the debate over coded racism has erupted. Nick Pash fired amid the backlash. Company acts after refusal to apologize. Social media outrage forces accountability at senior leadership level. Anti-India sentiment emerges online. Debate shifts to trolling and accusation of mob justice. This highlights deeper issue of racism in the US tech culture. United States visa advisory sparks panic. Embassy in New Delhi warns against birth tourism here. Misconception fuels anxiety among pregnant applicants and newlyweds. Clarifying birth tourism rule here. Pregnancy alone isn't a visa ban. Officers focus on intent and strong ties to India. In fact, honest documentation is very, very important. United States military operations in Pacific and the Caribbean. Triple missile strike target drug trafficking ship in the Pacific. In the meantime, the US forces stage operations from Trinidad and Tobago, escalating the pressure on Venezuela. And with that, that's a wrap up of our 30 news bulletins from around the globe. From Gaza to Israel, from Venezuela to the United States, the world is changing and so is geopolitics. But Times XP is here to give you all the latest updates that matters the most. I am Shruti Athri. See you tomorrow.